The FAHRBIKE Roadster73 Plus e-bike makes an impressive statement with its sleek moped-style design. This modern take on a classic form is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, blending the rugged durability needed for off-road adventures with the elegant, refined look suitable for urban environments. Its robust frame and wide, fat tires give it a powerful and rugged appearance, suitable for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The elegant matte finish adds a touch of sophistication, while the large, bright headlight and sturdy seat riser offer a blend of style and practicality. The design philosophy behind the Roadster73 Plus seems to have been one of blending traditional motorcycle elements with modern electric bike innovations. The result is a bike that commands attention without being overly flashy. The matte finish, often seen in high-end automotive designs, speaks to a sense of understated elegance. It resists scratches and scuffs that can come with regular use, maintaining the bike's new look for longer. The larger, bright headlight isn't just a practical feature, but also a design focal point, reminiscent of classic motorcycles, which adds to the bike's overall aesthetic appeal. Furthermore, the bike's form factor is both imposing and reassuring. The wide 20 by 4 inch fat tires contribute to this look, giving the bike a grounded, stable stance that suggests it can handle a variety of terrains with ease. These tires are not just for the show. Their increased width allows riders to navigate through soft surfaces like sand, snow, mud, and uneven trails with greater ease, making the bike a great choice for different riding environments. One of the first hurdles with any new bike is the assembly process, and the Roadster73 Plus shines in this regard. Assembling the Roadster73 Plus is a straightforward process, even for those who are not particularly handy. The bike arrives with most components pre-assembled. The inclusion of all necessary tools in the package further simplifies the assembly, ensuring you can get on the road as quickly as possible without hassle. The well-thought-out packaging of the Roadster73 Plus is designed to minimize the risk of damage during shipping, while making the assembly process as straightforward as possible for the user. Each component is securely packed, and the parts that require assembly are intuitively laid out. This user-friendly approach means that you don't have to be a mechanical genius to get your bike up and running. Unboxing the bike is straightforward. First, I remove the packaging straps and open the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free of the staples. Then I laid the box down. I slid the e-bike out carefully, stand the e-bike up, and remove all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the Roadster73 Plus e-bike. Install the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the bike's stem, centering the handlebars and rotating them to align with your preferred riding position before tightening the bolts securely. For the front wheel, I loosened the bolts of the protective bar on the front fork. Add the front wheel and tighten the bolts to secure it in place. The pedals are clearly marked for left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. Screw in the pedals and use a wrench to further tighten them easily. Install the front headlamp by loosening the bolts on the fork brace, attaching the headlamp, and then adjusting its orientation to face forward. The FAHRBIKE Roadster73 Plus is packed with advanced technology to enhance your riding experience. At the heart of this e-bike is its powerful 750-watt rear motor. This motor delivers a substantial amount of torque, making it capable of handling a variety of riding conditions, from flat city streets to steep hills and rough trails. The motor is designed to provide a balance between power and efficiency, ensuring that you have the power you need without sacrificing battery life. The 7-speed Shimano gear shift system complements the motor perfectly, offering versatile performance for various riding conditions. Shimano is a well-known and respected name in the cycling world, and their gear system is known for their reliability and smooth operation. The 7-speed system allows you to easily shift gears to match your riding conditions, whether you need a low gear for climbing hills or higher gear for cruising on flat terrain. One of the standout features of the Roadster73 Plus is its 5-level pedal assist system. This system allows you to customize the amount of assistance you receive from the motor, making it easier to tackle challenging terrains or conserve battery power when needed. By using the pedal assist system accurately, you can increase the range of a single charge by up to 20%, which happens to be a significant boost in efficiency. The bike also features a comprehensive LCD display that provides real-time information on speed, battery life, and assistance levels. This display is easy to read even in bright sunlight and keeps you informed of all the critical aspects of your ride. Knowing how much battery life you have left, for example, allows you to plan your rides more effectively and avoid running out of power unexpectedly. Comfort is a key feature of the Roadster 73 Plus, thanks to its full suspension system. The rear shocks and durable front fork with 60 millimeters of travel ensure a smooth and enjoyable ride whether you're navigating city streets or rugged trails. The full suspension system is a rarity in e-bikes, bringing motorcycle level suspension to the Roadster 73 Plus. This means that the bike can handle bumps, potholes, and uneven trails with ease, absorbing shocks and providing a smoother ride overall. The handlebar design also contributes to the overall comfort of the Roadster 73 Plus. The aluminum handlebars are both lightweight and durable, providing a comfortable grip and optimal control. The handlebars are set at a height that allows for a relaxed riding posture, reducing strain on your wrists and shoulders. Taking the FAHRBIKE Roadster 73 Plus for a ride in the North Georgia mountains was a true test of its capabilities. The mountains are known for their breathtaking scenery and challenging terrains, making them an ideal proving ground for this powerful and adaptable e-bike. As I embarked on this adventure, the bike's robust design and advanced features quickly became evident. The ride began on a crisp morning with the sun just beginning to peek over the horizon. The air was cool and the promise of a challenging yet rewarding ride lay ahead. The Roadster 73 Plus, with its sleek moped-style design, looked ready to take on the rugged trails. The first stretch of this journey involved navigating through a series of gravel paths, which would test the bike's suspension and handling. The FAHR Roadster 73 Plus is equipped with a full suspension system featuring robust rear shocks and a durable front fork with 60 millimeters of travel. This suspension setup is typically reserved for motorbikes, and it provided a level of comfort and control that is rarely found in e-bikes. As I rode over the rough gravel trails, the suspension system absorbed the shocks and bumps with ease, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. This was one of the most comfortable rides I have experienced on an e-bike, particularly on such a challenging terrain. The ability to absorb constant jarring from the uneven surface meant that I encountered significantly less saddle fatigue. This was particularly important as I was riding through the North Georgia mountains, where the trails can be long and demanding. The reduced saddle fatigue allowed me to ride for extended periods without discomfort, making the entire experience more pleasant and sustainable. As I continued my journey deeper into the mountains, the terrain became more varied, with steep inclines and sharp descents. The Roadster 73 Plus has a powerful 750-watt motor, which proved to be more than capable of handling these changes in elevation. The motor provided ample power and torque, making it easy to climb even the steepest hills. The torque from the 750-watt motor made ascending hills feel almost effortless, allowing for a steady and controlled climb even in the most challenging sections. The bike's 7-speed Shimano gear system complemented the motor perfectly, allowing me to adjust the gearing to match the terrain. The smooth and reliable gear changes ensured that I could maintain a comfortable cadence, whether I was climbing a steep incline or cruising on a flat section of the trail. This versatility made the Roadster 73 Plus an ideal companion for the diverse and challenging terrain of the North Georgia mountains. The wide 20 by 4-inch fat tires also played a significant role in the bike's performance on the trails. These tires provided excellent traction and stability, allowing me to navigate through soft surfaces like sand, mud, and loose gravel. The increased tire width also helped to absorb shocks from the rough terrain, adding to the overall comfort of the ride. The tires grip the trail firmly, reducing the risk of slipping or skidding on loose gravel. As I rode through the mountains, I also had the opportunity to test the Roadster73 Plus's battery life. The bike is equipped with a 48-volt 20-amp removable battery, which provides a range of 45 to 60 miles on a single charge. The 5-level pedal assist system allowed me to customize the amount of assistance I received from the motor, helping to conserve battery life when needed. By using the pedal assist system accurately, I was able to increase the range of a single charge, ensuring that I had plenty of power to complete my ride. This terrain really puts the battery to the test. There are very few flat surfaces, so the motor typically has to put near max power when climbing hill after hill after hill. The journey through the North Georgia mountains on the FAHRBIKE Roadster73 Plus was a true adventure. The bike's performance exceeded my expectations in every way. The powerful motor, adaptable gearing, and full suspension system provided the perfect combination of power, comfort, and control. The wide fat tires and reliable braking system added to the bike's capability, making it a reliable and powerful companion on the trails. One of the most impressive aspects of the Roadster73 Plus was the comfort of the ride. The full suspension system, particularly the rear suspension, made a significant difference in reducing saddle fatigue. This allowed me to ride for extended periods without discomfort, making the journey through the mountains more enjoyable and sustainable. In conclusion, the FAHRBIKE Roadster73 Plus is an exceptional e-bike that delivers outstanding performance in challenging terrains. Whether you're tackling steep climbs, technical descents, or rough gravel trails, the Roadster73 Plus is up to the task. The combination of a powerful motor, adaptable gearing, full suspension, and wide fat tires make it a flexible and capable bike for a wide range of riding conditions. The comfort and control provided by the suspension system, particularly the rear suspension, make it one of the most comfortable e-bikes that I've ridden on rough trails. The reduced saddle fatigue and overall comfort made the ride through the North Georgia mountains a truly enjoyable experience. The Roadster73 Plus is not just a bike, it's a reliable companion for your adventures, capable of taking on the most challenging terrain with ease. For anyone looking for an e-bike that combines both power, comfort, and versatility, the FAHRBIKE Roadster73 Plus is an excellent choice. Its advanced features and robust design make it suitable for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Whether you're exploring mountainous trails or cruising through city streets, the Roadster73 Plus offers an unparalleled riding experience that is sure to impress.